तो हेलो गाइस, इट्स बीन लॉन्ग। तो आज हम लोग अपने लिंक लिस्ट के सीरीज का एक नया क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। इसमें हम लोग लिंक लिस्ट में डुप्लीकेट एलिमेंट रिमूव कर रहे होंगे। तो इसमें हम लोग क्या कर रहे होंगे, बेसिकली एक रफ आइडिया लेते हैं यहाँ पे। सो वी आर गिवन विद द लिंक लिस्ट, लेट्स से 1 1 2 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we have to simply remove the duplicate element. So what will be the output? It will be 1 2 3 4 5. Fine. So how will we do it? We'll do it in by iteration. So we'll try to do it in one iteration. Okay, so we'll make two pointers for the same. Okay, so I'll call the first pointer, let's say t1. So yeah, I have already written the main function. Actually, those who don't know how to write may refer to my other videos where I taught the basics of linked list creation. Okay, so we'll be making a node star type t1, which is which should point head. Okay, yeah, I'll tell the logic as well. Just wait for a moment. Node star t2 is equals to, it will be pointing head ka next. Fine. Yeah, so see what will be the logic. So we'll make two pointers. Okay, so one will be placed here and the other one will be placed just next to it. So what we'll be doing, we'll run a loop and we'll check if the next pointer है ना, if the next pointer's data is equal to the data of first pointer. Okay, so we are actually checking if the data of t1 is equal to data of t2, where t1 is pointing to this one and t2 is pointing to this one. Yeah, so if they are same, that means there is repeating element. So what we'll be doing, we'll be removing it. So we'll do the same. Okay, let's code it. Let's run a loop, while loop. Yeah, so we'll put a condition on t2, cause if we put a condition on t1, then we might face segmentation fault. So while t2 is not equals to null. Okay, yeah, so what we are supposed to do, yeah, we'll checking if t1's data is equals to t2 data. If so, what should we do? See, yeah, so t1's data is equals to t2 data. So we'll do what? We'll move t2 by one more, like by one more node. So t1 is now pointing 1 and t2 will now point this 2. Okay, so we'll simply do t1 ka next is equals to this 2. Yeah, yeah, so let's do it. We should also delete the redundant node, so that we could delete that dynamically allocated space. So we should first make a temp type pointer, no star temp equals yeah, t2, and then we simply have to do t2 is equals to t2 next, and what t1's next is t2. Fine. So we are done with this thing. We'll simply delete temp. Yeah, so if we don't go under this condition, yeah, you can see in this loop what we are doing, we are yeah, our t1 is now pointing to this one and t2 is pointing to this 2. Okay, and we have something like this. Let's make it here. After first iteration, it's 1 2 2 3 4 5. Yeah, so where is our t1? Our t1 is on 1 and our t2 is on 2. Okay, so data of t1 and t2 is not same. So in the else condition we'll put, what we'll put in the end condition, we'll put nothing but yeah, t1 is equals to t1 ka next, and what t2 is equals to t2 ka next. Yeah, by doing this much our code is good to go. Okay, we should also append a null in the end. though it would take itself as well, but we should do it. T1's next is equals to, okay, let's see if our code works or not. Okay, so I think I should run the code. It's showing some error in cout and which line, in line 61, and we probably don't have 61. So what's wrong? Cout telca data. Yeah, have I made something? Don't know why it's not working. Okay, it's saying cout was not declared. That's because I haven't included namespace. Yeah. So like this. Was not declared in this scope. Okay. Okay, I have actually not made a node class over here, so I think I should copy it from somewhere. Yeah, from here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let me remove it. Yeah, now this should work fine. Okay, no return function. Okay, yeah, we forgot. We should have returned the head over here, right? So we haven't done anything to the head, like we haven't changed the value of it, so we should return simply head here. Well, I'll not be editing this parts because I want you to think how to face an error. Yeah, so as told in earlier videos, will be like our input stream will stop when there will we append -1. Okay, so 1 will, yeah, okay, it stopped executed, so let me run it again. Yeah, there we go. So let me put 1 1 2 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 7 and 1 -1. Fine. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you, we were given with a sorted linked list, okay, where there were some repeating elements, so we simply had to remove those repeating elements. Thank you for watching the video. Keep liking, keep subscribing.